guys! Looking at the fish in a friend's fish tank last evening got me wondering about how fish turn inside water. I can imagine that something to hold on to or feel can make turning easy. However, with no support whatsoever, turning can be quite a challenge. Then how do fish turn underwater? As a child, I was told that fish use their tails to turn. But deep down, I knew there was more to it. As I grew older, I grew increasingly curious about how fish use their tails to turn underwater. Water opposes the movement of fish with a certain amount of resistance. Such resistance between two solid surfaces is known as friction. In liquids and gases, such resistance to motion is called drag. When fish swim underwater, the water continuously drags the fish with the force of its resistance. For a fish swimming in a straight line, the drag acts uniformly on its left and right side. But if a fish turns its tail left, more to its body's left surface gets exposed to the water's drag. As a result, the fish experiences greater pressure on its left and the lesser pressure on its right, causing the fish to turn right. Aircraft follow the same principle to turn mid-air. When steady and balanced, an aircraft travels in a straight line. But when it is tilted right, with its tail rotated slightly towards the right, air exerts greater pressure on its left than on its right. This causes the aircraft to turn right. Here's an experiment you should try to help you understand better. Visit a water body near you and throw a flat stone in such a way that it touches the water with one of its flat surfaces. If you do it right, it might seem to you like the stone is bouncing off the surface of the water. This happens because when the stone touches the surface of the water with one of its flat surfaces, it feels the pressure of the water's drag. Now, water drag is far stronger than air drag. So, the pressure on the bottom surface of the stone is significantly greater than the pressure on its top surface. As a result, the stone jumps towards low pressure zone, that is, upwards into the air. Isn't it amazing that fish turning underwater, aircraft turning mid-air, and pebbles bouncing off the surface of water are all effects of one common cause, that is, drag, or in simple terms, the friction or resistance offered by air or water. I'm going to have to take your leave now, but I suggest that you spend some time thinking about what we learned today. See you next time.